Hello viewers, welcome to Insta blogs. As you can see that the construction process is going here. In lots of videos you have seen on YouTube that this construction process, when they construct the road networks, they use the automatic machines and less use of manual labor but more use of automatic machines. But in Bangladesh you can see that the development process, this is the primary stage of the road construction, and as you can see that the bricks here, they are just putting it on the side of the road, and the people that are working here, these are the manual laborers, and the process, this is very slow process, and I'm just seeing the whole process, but how they maintain the line straight. As you can see here, the two bricks, you can see two bricks here, and one thinner rope that is binded with these two bricks, and this is gone at the last end. And along this line, this straight line, you can see that the brick, this is just laying here by hands, and after putting the bricks here, they are just using the traditional instruments, which they are putting the grids along the side of the bricks, and the construction is almost done. As you can see that one people is putting the bricks here and the other is just cutting on the side of the road. So there are few stages, you can see. One is just maintaining the plain road, then another one is laying the bricks, then they are putting the grids to the bricks, and another one is making the shape. And on the other side you can see that another person is digging the roads forwards. And the progress of all the construction process, as you can see that this is completed on the other side, and this side, this is just ongoing process. After this process is done, then we are going forward. Let's see the next stages. As you can see that this is a continuous long digging holes, and this looks like a drain, and this is going forward, and as you can see he is moving to that direction. So the next brick laying process is going towards this direction. Let's move forward. We are going to see the stocks of construction materials. The people, they are just walking on the road very cautiously. Assalamu alaikum. Bhalo achen kaka? So we are going to see the stocks for the next process. This is a rural road, so the constructions is a part of the rural development project of this country. This is Bangladesh, which is located at the South Asia. I hope the road is going to be very fine and nicely constructed. Now, behind me, you can see the piles of stone pieces. These stones, these are brought from Sylhet by trucks. Alright. Alongside you can see that the primary school, this is government primary school, so the education already started. The academic hour is already started here, and you can see that this pile of stone pieces, this will be used after that bricklaying process is done. Then they are going to put the stone pieces on top as a layer, and they are going to mix other materials. It's called pitch in Bangla, but I don't know the English. And you know, these stone pieces, those are going to be mixed with those pitch, and those are going to be laid on top of the road. Then with the use of the the pressed machine, which is driven semi-automatic, and the road is done. The top portion of the road is going to be very plain and nice, and when the vehicle moves on the road, you can see that they are moving smooth forwards. So this is going to be easy for the drivers. My cousin here, his name is Moni. He is also driving a motorcycle. So as you know, if the road is going to be nice and good, then it will be easy for him to drive the motorcycle very smoothly. And while he is going to be the city, that's the Upojala Bazar, and his academic area, Balasa. Viewer, this is Saidur, and he is going on that side. So this will be good for everybody, the people, the community, the society, and of course for the country. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please stay with Insta Blogs and stay connected. Please subscribe all the channels and stay with us, like us, and you can share, you can like, and you can share with your friends and families. You are going to have more videos on this different context in rural areas and in other contexts also. The buildings, the constructions, the foods, the people, the culture. I hope you are going to like it. Today this is all. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Until then, stay fine, stay nice, stay healthy.